So we're shooting this video. This is literally a shout out to Matthew Valentine. He recently purchased our bundle equipment. He did all the training, finished through with all the training, helped him with his website, helped him with anything we can, and that's what we do at Leaktronics. If you buy our equipment, if you do our training, there is nothing that we won't help you with. Take a look. So again, he did a leak detection, found a structural crack at a radius, went and bought the torque locks. Take a look at some of these repairs. He cut them out right. He questioned, am I doing it right? We're always there to answer those questions. Again, it's at a radius, so this isn't your first easy crack repair. Again, he started off with a tough one. Take a look at how he got it done, how he set his staples, did the wide cuts, how he was able to plaster it up, and that plaster is going to match really nice once the plaster dries and the rest of that pool gets rehydrated, as you can see in some of that picture. Again, if you train with us, if you buy our equipment, there's nothing we won't do to help you out. And again, Matthew Valentine, good luck with your business, and we're always here to answer any questions that you might have.